Today I'm going to show you how to update your licenses and certificates on Indeed. So from your profile over here within Indeed, which you can navigate to by clicking on profile, you can come down over here, look for qualifications, and here we want to click on add licenses. Here you can add a license. For example, it does give driver's license as an example, but if you have a medical license or if you have a law degree, whatever it is, whatever license you have, you can go ahead and add it in here. You can add in the expiration date. This is very important because if you are operating out of this time period, then it may not be eligible anymore. All right. Or then you can just click on does not expire. If it does not expire, then click on save and add another. Now you can also add a certificate in over here. So go ahead, click on add certificate, go ahead and add in the certificate name. So whatever is on the header of your certificate, go ahead and also add in that expiration date, the month and year. And if it doesn't expire, just check this box over here and click on save. If you'd like to save this and add another one immediately without jumping out of this window and jumping back in, go ahead and click on save and add another.